Today, I'm diving into a game changer for any kitchen, the Instant Pot Air Fryer. Now, I'll admit, I was a bit skeptical about adding another appliance to my kitchen arsenal, but after extensive research, I took the plunge and got my hands on this gem, especially considering how impressed I've been with the Instant Pot pressure cooker. Let's talk about ease of use. The interface feels like second nature if you're familiar with Instant Pot pressure cookers. But even if you're not, navigating it is a breeze. It's intuitive and straightforward, making cooking a joy. Speed? Oh, it's lightning fast. From zero to golden perfection in minutes, this fryer heats up swiftly, cooks evenly, and accessing your food mid-cycle for rotation is a cinch. The health-conscious folks will love this, minimal to zero oil required for most dishes, resulting in healthier, less greasy, but oh-so-flavorful food. Cleaning up? Surprise, surprise, it's a breeze. The non-stick interior wipes clean effortlessly, and the detachable grate is just as easy to maintain. Let's talk culinary adventures. From a full-size chicken to guilt-free fried tortillas and delectable breaded zucchini sticks, this fryer delivers quality dishes that exceeded my expectations. Here's something unexpected: the minimal heat it emits. You can place it on any surface without fretting about excessive heat. Plus, the flat top doubles as extra counter space, a huge win for limited kitchen real estate. Oh, and it's eco-friendly too, using significantly less energy compared to ovens or toaster ovens. Now, onto the nitty-gritty. It did take a few initial runs to eliminate that new appliance smell, but following the manual's guidance made it a non-issue. In a nutshell, the Instant Pot Air Fryer is a kitchen superstar. It's become a favorite in my collection for its versatility, speed, and ease of use. I absolutely love it and highly recommend it to anyone considering an air fryer. Trust me, this is a game changer you won't regret adding to your kitchen lineup. Happy cooking, everyone!